It's another beautiful day, and today we will continue studying English. Today we just need the workbook. We will go to page 34. 34. It says, match the words to the pictures. Remember that yesterday we were studying about clothing and accessories, so today we will continue with the clothes and accessories. So, where is the t-shirt? This is the t-shirt. Then, where is the jacket? Here we have the jacket. Where is the hat? There is the hat. In the letter F, where we have the pants. These ones are the pants. Letter D, the sneakers. Do you remember about the sneakers? Son como unas zapatillas o como unas tenis. And finally, shorts. Who's wearing shorts? The boy is wearing shorts. Okay, we finished the first part. Now continue with the letter B. It says, where do the clothes go? Where do the clothes go? Complete the words, look and draw lines. Okay. Hat. Hat, we use the hat in our heads. Then, t-shirt. We will write t-shirt. T-shirt, and we use the t-shirt here. Now, continue with the jacket. 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 And we wear the jacket here too. Number 4. Number 4 is with the letter P. What can we write with the letter P? Pants. Pants. Okay, the pants. Now, with the letter S. Shorts. Shorts. Now, we wear the shorts and we wear the pants. Okay? And finally, what is it, guys? Sneakers. Sneakers. Okay? Sneakers. We have the words. Right. Okay, now letter C. Look and write the names of the clothes. We are going to look and identify the names of the clothes. The first one, what is it? This is a hat. Okay, this is a hat. What is it, guys? These ones are shorts. Shorts. I love these shorts. Number 2. What is it? This is a beautiful jacket, right? Jacket. Jacket. These ones are pants. Pants. And finally, we have the number 3. This is a t-shirt. T-shirt. And the last ones, sneakers. My favorite ones, sneakers. Sneakers, okay? This is a review of the clothes and accessories. It's a nice class, so bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Kisses. Remember to wash your hands and stay home. Bye. See you.